Okay, so this particular resume is of a senior that's been in house. So this looks also there's good things about it, and there's things that aren't good. So a lot of times, so what older attorneys always do is they take off their graduation date, which is fine. You can do that or not. And honestly, like if you put down you graduated from law school in 1969 or something, then it probably would hurt you. And I'm not saying that it would hurt me, but a lot of employers would be turned off by it. But I think this is fine. This person is obviously licensed to practice law in Wisconsin. For those of you that don't know, if you go to law school in Wisconsin, you're automatically admitted in Wisconsin, so that's fine. There's no reason to put down that you know how to use Zoom or Dropbox, which again, for older people like us, that's probably an achievement, but you don't need to put it down. And conversational Spanish is probably not even really that necessary, but I guess you can put that if you want. Okay, this resume is something that has been done professionally, probably by an outside service. It may have been done by my guess is that this person was sent to the Gunderson Tri Hospital and Clinics. They sent them there to a professional resume company or something. I don't know. These sort of statements, core competencies and things, these are made a lot of times so because people assume that there's going to be a search engine, someone that's going to be searching for these terms using automated software and so forth. And to some extent that's true, but at the same time, it's only for the largest companies and so forth. So all these things that the person is saying here this is really an in-house resume. It's not a law firm resume. And again, I do law firm placements. All these things here, from my standpoint, I wouldn't put all this here. A lot of work goes into this, and I'm not angry about it, or I'm not saying it's bad, but honestly, this is an HR resume. This is great. I don't know that talking about how you found someone stealing it's probably pretty scary to let people read that. And yeah, this is good. This is a good HR resume. I don't know if this is a legal resume in a lot of respects, but it's a very good resume for an HR person. And it actually may be a good resume for in-house too. It's just there's some issues with it for 2014 to 17 professional counsel. Yeah, so this person's been in-house a lot. So I like this resume. I don't have any issues with it. But it's more of I think that in terms of this resume, it's a very good HR resume. And it could actually be a good resume for a law firm job, for an in-house job as well. I don't think it would be a good resume for a job in a law firm.